In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your day with Asana, 5 minutes. Start by heading to Asana's login page, enter your email address, click continue, then type your password and log in. Once you land on your homepage, you're set to plan the day. The quickest place to work from is My Tasks. Open My Tasks and you'll see everything assigned to you in one place, no matter which project it lives in. This view becomes your personal command center for the day. If you prefer organizing work inside a specific parent task, maybe a daily plan or a theme for the week, open that task and click Details to expand the right side panel. Shift your attention to the Subtasks section. This is where you'll break your work down into clear, actionable pieces. Create structure with a section. Press Tab plus N on your keyboard. A new section instantly appears. Give it a clear name like Morning Focus, Deep Work, or Quick Wins. Naming your section helps you mentally batch similar work and reduce context switching. Now add subtasks to that section. Create each subtask as a single doable action, something you can complete in one sitting. If you already have subtasks, drag and drop them into the new section to group related work. You can create multiple sections and move subtasks between them freely. This flexibility makes it easy to balance priorities as plans shift throughout the day. Next, prioritize and schedule. Drag tasks within a section to stack the most important items at the top. Add due dates or times so Asana can surface what matters when it matters. If a task depends on another, note that in the description or use dependencies so you don't start too early. Keep titles short and specific to reduce mental load when you glance at your list. Stay updated and take action directly from tasks. Use comments to capture quick notes or decisions. Attach files if needed, and @mention collaborators to keep communication in one place. Your inbox and task notifications will reflect updates as they happen, so you won't lose track of changes. Finally, execute your day. Start at the top of your highest priority section and work down. Mark tasks complete as you finish them. Seeing progress builds momentum. If something new comes in, add it as a subtask and place it in the right section, rather than interrupting your flow. Reorder when necessary and keep your plan realistic and focused. That's your daily planning workflow in Asana. Log in, open My Tasks, organize subtasks into sections, prioritize and schedule, stay updated, and execute confidently.